we have a Neckband today. It's dead. It doesn't turn on and even no charging. Nothing. Completely dead unit. So now I'm trying to fix this unit. Stay with us until we finish the video. At first we open this part and check our charging port, plug it in, multimeter in voltage mode, 0 volt, second pin 5 volt, third pin 0.4205. The port is okay. Then where's the problem? Why it's not working? So let's connect our charger. Here you can see that this cable is battery minus, so red one should be battery plus, and our battery okay, then we'll found 4 volt in here. There is no voltage, maybe the battery issue. We have to open this unit. Battery is here. It's open completely. Check the battery directly with our multimeter, negative and positive, 0 volt. The battery is completely empty, a big empty battery. So sad. So now I'm going to disconnect the battery from the board and I'll see if the LED glow when I connect the charger, or I will try to turn this unit on with a good battery. Clean the soldering tip because it's dirty. Now it's clean. Positive terminal is disconnected and now the negative one. The battery is completely disconnected from the circuit, and now see the battery condition. At first nothing from this terminal, and without BMS also nothing. Why? Okay, now it's time to check our circuit without battery. Oh no, still no life. Nothing happened. No, let's check one thing. Meter in continuity mode. Let's check that battery terminals are okay or not. Blue with yellow. Cable are okay. It's not problem. No short circuit. Nothing. But still no sign of life. Now I'm going to use this battery and see if it's work or not. This battery is half in capacity compared to original one. So 500 milliamp hour, and this one is only 220 milliamp hour, less than half. No problem. We don't care. If it works, then everything is okay. Red to red here and red one here. Battery is connected. Now see what happened. Still nothing. Try to turn this on. Still nothing. But something is happening in here. I can feel this thing, this tiny component. I don't know what it is. Maybe capacitor. This one is overheating. I can feel it. I have to disconnect the battery and see what's the problem with tiny capacitor for L1. What means L1? Newton. This tiny capacitor is short, but I don't know is this the only problem, but I can try to change this. I don't know capacitance of this thing, but I'll try to change this with similar one. Look like similar. So I need a tiny capacitor. Let's see if we can use one from our hard disk board. Hard disk has a lot of tiny capacitor, almost same size as our original one, so I think we can try. First we have to remove capacitor from the donor board. Trying to remove my soldering iron. If I fail, then I will use my hot air gun. No, it refused me, so I have to do in hard way. This is our hot air gun. The board is so thick, so it takes some time. Okay, we remove our capacitor from the donor board, and now it's time to remove the faulty capacitor from our neckband. Okay, it also connected. These components are very small and it's hard to see without microscope, and because I don't have one, it's a challenge for me. I think it's connected, and no, still nothing happened. Still same problem. Let's try to collect another capacitor instead of tiny one. Now I'll try this one, bigger than original one, but not so. I think this one is not damaged or broken. Let's try to solder this one. If some filling place and trivial, I think it's solid. We found another short capacitor. This one, this tiny one. Time to replace it too. First, remove it from the circuit. It's removed. Then we need a good one for its replacement. Try to collect from circuit, and now it's time to replace. I think it's okay. Let's check it with multimeter. Continuity mode. Yes, and now it's not short. Oh, perfectly. Now it's connected and it's solid. Also, there is no short now. input our power again. No, LED is not glowing. Battery is connected. Try to power this on and still no hope, no light. Only these things are overheating. Disconnect the battery again. Check again with multimeter off. Now this capacitor is also short. Let's remove it too. Short capacitor removed and try to collect one for its replacement. Replacement collected. I think new capacitor is connected, but the wires are disconnected, still short. That means this capacitor is not short, maybe something else, I don't know. Remove the capacitor again and measure it separately. No, it's not short. Without the capacitor, this 2 point is still short, so I think it's a no fix. I think this IC is gone. We can do nothing for it. Okay, I can check one thing. I can remove this IC and can see still this short is here or not. Just check it. Okay, IC is removed. Now we can see, okay, when I remove the IC, the short is gone. So what we can say that the problem is from this chip and we cannot fix or replace IC, and it's a no fix. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps my channel to grow. Your engagement is my motivation.